What is up, you guys? Pete DeCarlo here with DeCarlo Capital, and in this video, we're going to go over Uber. We're going to talk about how we called out Uber. We're going to talk about that push on Uber yesterday that allowed me to close for a $1,400 profit, and then we're also going to talk today about why Uber has pulled back and why I have re-entered a position on Uber. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, check out our Discord. The link is in the description. You guys get access to free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, free trades. I've called out nearly 5 free trades over there, making around $5,000 this week. So I highly recommend you go and check it out. You also get access to the best free trading bot out there. This is a $200 a month bot and service that we pay for. So you guys have it completely free so that you guys get access to unusual flow, dark pools, heat maps, flow algos, everything that we use to trade with each and every single day is completely free. Now, looking at Uber, I called this out within our premium group, and then I ended up posting this to the free group because I was like, you know what, I want to give out some trades for free. I do feel really good about Uber going into earnings. So I posted here, I said double bottom here with a great wedge, and MACD is about to cross to the upside as well. Earnings is coming up this week. This was on Sunday. I really think we'll see a massive breakout up to $45 in the coming weeks, and I'm going to most likely grab some shares or play something here this week. I'll keep you posted. So at the time, Uber was down here at this support around 35. This is like right around where I ended up purchasing it. I ended up grabbing shares on Monday around like 36.28. We had a great push up, and going into earnings yesterday, we were up at 39.67. I was up a decent amount. I think I was up about $800. And I was like, you know what, maybe I'll go ahead and exit. The reason I felt so good about this is because big money has been buying a lot of this. And we also had a big bull flag forming here as well on the weekly. I thought maybe we could try to break out. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to hold on to my position. We took a big push up yesterday after those earnings, which we'll go over the earnings. Tap 44.17. Remember, 45 is our price target, 200-day SMA and point of control here. I close out my position. It fully dropped back down to $38 today, which we'll talk about in a minute. And I just re-entered another position today at 38.71. So how did earnings go? Earnings beat on revenue, says core business is bouncing back after the Omicron surge. You can see here earnings were 44 cents per share. Revenue was $5.78 billion versus $5.34 billion, which is very good. Company reported net income of $892 million, which includes a $1.4 billion net benefit pre-tax related to its equity investments. Uber's EPS of 44 cents includes that big investment gain. Excluding it, Uber would have posted a loss for 26 cents per share, adjusted accordingly to Refinitiv analysts beating the Wall Street expectations of a loss of 35 cents. Adjusted EBITDA or on earnings before taxes, depreciation and amortization was 86 million. That's up 540 million from the same quarter, or $540 million from the same quarter a year ago, which is very good. $540 million increase year over year is very, very good. Here's how Uber's large business segments performed in the fourth quarter. Mobility gross bookings is up 67%. Delivery gross bookings up 34%. Both those numbers are good. Uber Eats did very, very well. I'm expecting DoorDash to do very, very well in their earnings as well. So overall, really, really good. Looking pretty good. We had a big push up. I closed at the best time yesterday, up around that point of control. Then today the stock was halted, dropped like 10% in a couple of minutes because Uber says EBITDA could hit $5 billion. I think it's by 2024. Yeah, Uber expects to expand its gross bookings by between 22 and 25% a year through 2024, with earnings by one measuring reaching $5 billion in 2024. Ride sharing and food delivery company made its forecast, which was broadly in line with street estimates. An analyst meeting on the New York on Thursday morning, the stock was halted. So why did we see a pullback? Number one, halts never really help, so that's not going to normally help the stock. The other thing too is that massive number that you saw by 2024, that's also for EBITDA. What Uber likes to do is make all of their numbers off of EBITDA because it just makes everything seem better, to be quite honest, because it looks like the company's profitable when it's really not. And you can see here at 26-cent loss right now. That's the real numbers, but it could be, quote, profitable if, count EBITDA and that big investment. But so far, I think earnings are great. I really, really like this. Looking at the weekly chart, I still think over the next 6 months, we could push back up to $60. And that's why I entered a position. I'm not necessarily entering a position for, a move from 38 to 40. I'm really looking for a move at least back up to 45, potentially up to 60. So I really like the earnings. I really like the position. I re-entered a lot smaller this time only about, I think it's like $6,000 worth of Uber, and I will average down around 35 if we get there. Thanks for all the support, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, check out the Discord. You can get access to all my trades below for $20 a month. Once you're in the Discord, just go to the upgrade section. Thanks for all the support, guys. Peace.